Previously on Ms.Brown Munny.
This is a middle-class Indian girl and she wants to start a business. Will she be able to? How to quit your job and start a business. Do you have a business idea? You want to make bubbles? If you're selling a product or a service that nobody wants, you're bound to fail.
So, are you still stuck on that bubble idea? No money to buy or manufacture those bubble frames, eh? Well, lucky for you, I'm discussing 10 businesses you can start with no real investment, like $0 to $1,000 max. Rupees 1,000, okay? 1,000 rupees for the benefit of our Indian boys and girls. I mean, I am Indian after all. It's in my name. I'm Brown. Jai Hind. Geez, sorry. Okay, let us begin. Now, the first thing I'm going to discuss is what? Don't you time is money me. Why I oughta... Okay, yeah, audience retention span. Okay. We're gonna keep this really quick. 10 business ideas you can start with $0 to 1,000 rupees investment, and I'm gonna keep it all under 5 minutes. Starting now.
Number 1. Start a YouTube channel using your Gmail account. Find a micro niche you really enjoy. Then start putting up original and creative content.
Consistently post quality videos for about a year. That's about 1 video every week or more if you can manage it. Reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program.
Apply to the YouTube Partner Program.
Enable Google Ads on your videos. And there, you're done. The estimated amount of money that you can make from this is anywhere from like a $60 to $2,000 per video that you make if you run Google AdSense. It'll take you about a year to get your channel monetized or even less if you're lucky, but once you're there, it's really worth it.
Number 2. Affiliate marketing.
Sign up for one of these sites for free. Get affiliate links from these sites.
You can share all your links on your Facebook group, on your Insta bio, on blog posts,
Your personal website. Write free articles, include these links in these articles, post these articles to free websites like medium.com, and pretty soon you'll be making
anywhere from $5 to $500 a month depending on how big your following is.
Number 3. Become a social media marketer. Find a small business on Instagram or Facebook. Or even better, find small businesses in your neighborhood that have 0 social media presence. Get in touch with them. Charge a fee for managing all their social media posts across all platforms.
You can make about $25 to $35 per hour for about 10 to 20 hours of work per client per month.
That's about $250.
Rupees, right, rupees. Okay, you can make about 18 to 25,000 a month per client for about 10 to 20 hours of work.
You can market yourself using all your personal social media platforms as well as in Facebook groups. Number 4, start a cooking, catering, or a baking business.
If you can bake or cook, then you can open your own cloud kitchen. Just deliveries. Open up a business account on Facebook and or Instagram and just get started right away.
Put the word out using all your personal social media platforms. If you even have some startup capital, you can sign up for Swiggy or Zomato.
The estimated income from this kind of a business is broadly dependent on 2 things. 1, the quality of your products, and secondly, how well you market yourself.
You should give yourself anywhere from 2 months to a year for this to pick off. Number 5, if you were like me,
okay, and her, if you're like me or her and you can talk, then this business idea is for you.
you can start your own event emceeing business. You can even add singing to the mix if you can find a friend who's willing to accompany you. Same drill as the cooking business in terms of marketing. Just advertise yourself on all social media platforms. 10 to 15K per event. Let's say you do 5 to 6 gigs in a month, which considering in a pandemic is quite a bit, but people are still getting married and people still want an MC. That thing's never gonna go online in India, trust me. You can make anywhere from 60 to 80K per month. Number 6, become an itinerary planner. What you gotta do is plan other people's travel schedules. Well, this actually could be quite fun since most of the people traveling right now are rich, famous, and very, very influential. Because let's face it, the middle class sitting at home. And since the pandemic, traveling is a challenge, so you can charge a pretty penny if you know how to do this. Again, market yourself and your business on all your social media platforms and on Facebook groups. The estimated income that you should be looking at from this kind of a business is $3,500 to $5,000 per itinerary. And let's say you plan 20 such itineraries a month, that could be anywhere from 70,000 rupees to a lakh every month. The seventh one, teaching English or any other language to adults. Same drill for marketing through social media. The estimated income is 300 to 500 per hour, about 20 hours a week. That's about 7,500 to 12,500 rupees if you had 2 students, but you could double this up if you have more students.
Number 8, start an arts and crafts business.
If you are good at making beautiful things, you can sell it on ETSEE or Shopify. You can make up to lakhs with great products, and you can find customers across the world if you like. The sky's the limit with this one, but the growth period for this kind of a business is anywhere from 1 to 2 years.
Number 9, become a blogger or a vlogger. Now, this is basically a job of influence.
It can be in any field, but it'll take a while for you to pick up. Sometimes even years, but once you get there, you can make loads of money through affiliate marketing and brand endorsements.
Number 10 is write a book and publish it for free at notionpress.com. You don't have to pay anything to publish your book, sales are taken care of, and if your book is any good, then it will sell. That's basically it. Write a book and publish it for free. Phew, I'm done. And just in time. What? This sounds difficult? You want to get married instead? So that your husband can pay for you. This is exactly the kind of financial buggery I'm discussing in my next video.